Today's video is about Cartesian product in Excel. We can do it in multiple ways, but today I'll show you a method with a reduce function, which is a lambda helper function. Before getting into our reduce function, I'll show you a method to do this manually. I'll start with our input range B4 to B7, and I will try to concatenate this with the transposed version of B4 to B7. I'll close parenthesis and see the result. This is our first iteration. Now I will try to make it a one column by using to call function. Again, I will do the same process. For that, I will try to concatenate this with the transposed version of our input range. Again, I have to do to call. In that way, you have to do this for 4 iterations. But we can do this with the reduce function in dynamic way. I will show you this. I will start with the reduce function. The initial value argument is going to be 0 length text string, so double quotes, double quotes. In array argument, number of iterations are purely based on number of elements in our input range. So our input range contains 4 items. So our iterations is going to be 4. If we evaluate this, you can see we created sequence of numbers from 1 to 4. In the function argument, since it's a lambda helper function, I will start with the lambda, in which I will declare 2 variables. First one is accumulator, and the next one is current value. I will try to concatenate our accumulator with the transposed version of our input range, and then I will make it a one column by using to call function. If this is get iterated for 4 times, 4 number of occurrences, then our output result will look like this, which will have 256 elements.